Hi, welcome back to Detailing World, and in today's video we're going to take a look at AutoGlym's latest product, Polar Seal. So yeah, welcome back to Detailing World. If this is your first time here, my name is Matt, and as I just said in the intro there, today we're going to take a quick look at AutoGlym's latest product, Polar Seal. So over the last week or so, AutoGlym have released a new series of products, which is the Polar range, and that is the Polar Blast, the Polar Wash and the Polar Seal. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Polar Seal, which Bill, one of the other guys at Detailing World, he's been testing out for us. But before we get any further, if you could give this video a like and possibly share this with your friends, that'd be great. And if you're not subscribed already, please do consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you a thing and it really does help us out. So yeah, with that out of the way, we'll just take a quick look at Bill's videos now. So having spoke with Bill, the car was basically just given a basic wash. This has no protection whatsoever. It's got about 60,000 miles on the car and it is just left outside in all conditions. Here we can see Bill giving the car a quick rinse down after it's washed, and as you can see there's absolutely no protection whatsoever on the bonnet of this car here. And in this clip he's just using an open hose, and as you can see very little sheeting from what you'd expect on an unprotected car. So as you can see, this is how the Polar Seal is to be applied to the car. It does appear very watery, but that is exactly how it is supposed to be applied. So here again, Bill's got the open-ended hose, just showing the sheeting properties of the Polar Seal and how well the water will run off the car. And remember, this is basically a touchless protection product, so it's applied via the pressure washer, rinsed, and then patted dry afterwards. And a little more testing there from Bill, this time rinsing off as you would do on any maintenance wash with the pressure washer. Again, you can see the water beading up and just wanting to instantly sheet off the car and just roll down the bonnet straight away there. And as you can see, that's just going to make drying a hell of a lot easier as well. So we'll just take a quick look at some other angles that Bill's got for us. Again, applying the product, it looks very watery, but that is how it goes on. And then just rinsing it and checking out the beading and sheeting properties afterwards. So yeah, as you can see there, this looks like a very simple and easy product to use. Along with the Polar Blast and the Polar Wash, all three of these products, they are just designed to be applied to your car via your pressure washer. So it's great for those in the trade or push for time at home, where you just want to give your car a quick wash, know it's protected, and then that's it really. Also, this is only about £20 for a litre of the product. AutoGlym are suggesting that you need 40 ml per 200 ml of water. So that's basically 25 doses of this product for £20. They're also saying that you don't need to apply it more than once a month either. So yeah, this product should last you for a fair while, and it sounds like it's very economical to use as well. As I say, I've not had a chance to use this myself yet. As soon as we do get some here, I'll give this a try, and we'll probably do a 50-50 on a car or something like that. I'll leave that for you guys to decide. If you could just leave a comment below this video how you would like me to test it, I'll take a look at them and see what we can do. But yeah, until the next time, that's it.